SolidWorks provides a set of tools for creating welded frames and structures called weldments. Weldments are most oftentimes multi-body parts, consisting of several different bodies or structural members, like you see here, that would be welded together to form a single piece. While I generally use the weldment tools to design framing structures like this, the tools are also incredibly flexible and can lend themselves to many different applications, even things like this woodworking model you see here. In this course, I'd like to introduce you to all of the tools used when working with weldments. I'd also like to show you how to create custom weldment profiles to add to your library. Before getting started, I'd like to mention that a big part of efficient weldment creation involves working with and creating 3D sketches. If you haven't done this in a while, or if, for instance, you don't know what the Tab key does off the top of your head in a 3D sketch, then you might want to quickly review the 3D sketching lessons found in the Solid Professor Advanced Parts course. That said, let's begin by taking a look at the main building blocks of weldment parts. Structural members.